Hello, if you want to connect a pen drive to your POCO X7 Pro, then in order to do so, you need to have an adapter that perhaps looks like this. Of course, this is just an example over here. This is the adapter that allows me to plug it into the phone, and on the other side, it allows me to connect the pen drive. Of course, this depends on the pen drive that you have. Most of the time you have USB type A, so you need to USB-C to USB-A converter. And in order to connect it to POCO, we need to simply connect the pen drive to the adapter and then the adapter to the phone. There we go. All right. Now, there we go. We have our flash drive detected. So we can tap on it in order to immediately open the storage. You can also go to the Files app by Google in order to find it in all storage. So it should be over here. In my case, I have it here. And I can open it in order to find the folder and so on and so forth. Now you can transfer files if needed. And that is pretty much it. Now, in addition to that, if this doesn't work for you, if you have connected your pen drive but it's not detected, nothing happens, then you might want to go to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. And then once again, scroll down. And you might want to make sure that OTG is enabled. In my case, I cannot really enable or disable it. But in your case, it might be possible to do so, or you might need to turn it on before you connect your pen drive. So this might depend on the hardware. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.